Yeah, this refrigerator right here ain't working right. Ain't keeping our food cool. First thing you do is turn it over like that. I'll show you what else to do. Okay, I don't know about you, but we got to see that in slow motion. There you go. That's the best way to fix your ice maker on your refrigerator. Now it's time to destroy the freezer. See what happens next. I saved the pound rocket for the freezer side. I left the ring of fire, can do this much damage. I wonder how much damage can the pound rocket do to the freezer section. We'll find out. See how high a ring of fire rocket like this can pick up a refrigerator like that. As you see, I got this long fuse. That way I can lay the refrigerator right on top of it. And it's set deep into the ground. That way it does not take off. That way it can explode at this height. Maybe it can do more force to the inside of that refrigerator. And I don't know which way I'm gonna light the fuse. Probably put it this way. And put the refrigerator on top. That's kind of too long. I'm gonna keep some of that fuse. I'm gonna cut some of it and roll this right on top of it. See what happens next. I don't know how high it's gonna jump. Let's see what this ring of fire rocket can do to this refrigerator. It's gonna be a slow light.